So guys, for the first step, you're going to get into this screen. I'm going to show you two ways on how to get here. So for the first way, this is if you can sign into Windows. I'm in Windows right now, I can sign into it. So if you can sign into Windows, then you're going to head over to search and type in reset this PC, click on it. And then once you're on this, under advanced startup, you're going to click on restart now. It will then take you into that screen. And if you cannot sign into Windows, then for the second way, you're going to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As it's turning on, you're going to quickly turn it back off again and then turn it back on again. You're going to repeat this 3 times. It will then take you into this screen. It's going to say that your PC did not start correctly. You're going to click on advanced options. And then once you're on this, I'm going to be showing you 4 different methods on how you can fix this problem. So for the first method, you're going to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then system restore. If you do not see system restore, you're going to click on SEMA recovery options, then it should appear right here. So you're going to click on system restore. If you have a restore point that's been created on your system, you're going to click on next, and then go back to your restore point. This should then fix your problem. If you do not have a restore point, that's fine. We're going to click on cancel. If that's still not working for the second method, you're going to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and now we're going to go with start of repair. It's now going to start diagnosing your PC, wait for this to load. If that's still not working, then you're going to go back to advanced options. And now for the third method, you're going to click on troubleshoot, advanced options. Now we're going to go with command prompt. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in C:, click on enter. And now we're going to type in cd space / Windows / system32 / config, click on enter again. And now we're going to type in md space backup 5, click on enter. And now we're going to type in copy space ** space backup, click on enter again. And now we're going to type in cd space regback, click on enter again. And now we're going to type in copy space ** space .. click on enter again. And now we're going to type in a, click on enter again. And now we're going to type in exit, click on enter again. Now you just want to continue to Windows and then the problem should be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed, then you're going to come back to this screen, you're going to go to troubleshoot and then click on reset this PC. And you could choose to either keep your files or remove everything, it's up to you what you want to go with. And then just reset your PC, this should then fix your problem.